Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start question number 2 of exercise number 3.1. Students, in previous lecture you have learned about how to convert the base numbers into decimal numbers. Now today we will convert the basis number with indicated bases which are given to us. Let's read the statement. Convert the following into the base system as indicated against each question. Let's start our today's lecture with part 2. Here you can see that 671 with base 8 to binary and base 5. Students, as you can see that this number is of base number which is octal. Now firstly we will convert this octal base number into decimal number system. Then we will convert the decimal number system into binary and base 5. Let's start our solution. Here we will write, firstly we will convert 671 with base 8 into decimal number system. You all know how to convert a base number into decimal number system. Let's towards the working. Here we have 6, we will multiply it with base, then plus, then 7 into our base 8 plus 1 into our base 8. Now students, we will give exponent from right towards left, starting from 0, 0, 1, 2. 6 will written as it is into 8 square means 8 8s are 64 plus 7 into 8 because 8 raised to power 1 is equal to 8 plus 1 into 1 because as you all know that when any number have power 0, it means this number equal to 1. This is our law, exponent law. Now students, we will write on a place of 8 raised to power 0, 1. Now we will multiply 6 into 64, we got 384 plus 7 into 8, we got 56 plus 1 ones are 1. When we add all the numbers, we got 441. Now students, as you can see that this is our decimal number. Now we will convert this decimal number into binary number system and base 5 system. Now students, here is our base 5 system. We will convert the decimal number into base 5 number system. As you know that I told you in last lecture that we will use successive division method and we will use the indicated base. Here when we divide 441 with 5, we got 88, we left 1. How this happen? 5 8s are 40 and 4 left. Carry with the 1, we got 41. Then 5 8s are 40, we have 1, it will return on the side. Now again dividing with 5, 5 ones are 5, there is 3, carry with 8, it makes 38. 5 7s are 35 and we have 3 left, it will return on the side. Then again we will divide it with 5, 5 3s are 15, we have left 2, it will write again. Now students, as you can see that our next number got smaller than our base system and we will use only digits from 0 to 4 in base 5 number system. So we will stop dividing here. Now the question is how we will write the answer. Starting from this side, firstly we will write 3 2, then from downwards to upwards 3 and 1. Here you can see that 3 2 3 1 with base 5 is our conversion of decimal number system into base 5 system. Now students, here is our binary system. We will divide 441 with 2. Here you can see that 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 1 is not divisible by on 2, so we will write 0 here and 1 on the other side. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0 will written as it is and here nothing is remainder, so we will write 0 on the side. Then 2 5s are 10, 1 carry with 0, 2 5s are 10, there is again nothing, so we will write 0 on the other side. 2 2s are 4, here 1 carry, it makes 15, 2 7s are 14 and 1 will return on the side. 2 1s are 2 and there we have 7, 2 3s are 6 and 1 remainder, it will return on the side. 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder, it will return on other side. 2 3 is 6, there is no remainder, we will write 0. Then 2 1s are 2 and 1 will return on the side. Now students, as you can see that this is our binary number system, so on this side there are only zeros and 1. If we have other than 0 and 1, your division is wrong. Now we will write answer starting from here: 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 with base 2. So binary system is equal to 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 with base 2, and base 5 system is equal to 3 2 3 1 with base 5. This is our answer. Now students, let's move towards our part 3, 2006 with base 8 to binary and base 5. As you can see that this is number given to us of octal number system. We will convert it firstly into decimal number system. We will write first, we will convert 2006 with base 8 to decimal number system. As you all know that how we will convert this base number into decimal number. We will multiply all the digits with its base and afterwards we will give exponent to them. Firstly, we will multiply 2 into 8 because 8 is our base, plus 0 into 8 plus 0 into 8 plus 6 into 8. Now we will give exponent from right towards left, starting from 0 0 1 2 3. Remember that we must give exponent to the base. 2 will return as it is. 8 cube means 512 plus 0 as it is. 8 square means 64 plus 0 as it is into 8 ones are 8 plus 6 as it is into 1, because as you all know that when we have exponent 0, it means this number equal to 1. This is our exponent law. Now we will multiply 2 into 512, we got 1024 plus 0, because when we multiply 0 into 64 we got 0. 0 into 8 we got 0 plus 6 ones are 6. Now students, we will add both numbers, we got 1030. Now we will convert this into binary system. Now students, here is a number 1030, starting from 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, it makes 10, 2 5s are 10, there is nothing remainder, so we will write 0 here. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, here it makes 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 remainder, it will carry on next number, it makes 15, 2 7s are 14 and 1 remainder. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, it makes 17, 2 8s are 16 and 1 on the remainder side. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, there is nothing remainder, so we will write 0 here. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, we will write 0 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, there is nothing remainder, so we will write 0 here. 2 8s are 16 and 0 here. 2 4s are 8, there is no remainder, we will write 0 here. 2 2s are 4, there is nothing remainder, so we will write 0 here. 2 1s are 2 and 0 here. Now we will write our answer starting from here: 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 with base 2. Let's move towards our conversion the decimal number into base 5. Now students, here is our base 5 system. We will divide 1030 with 5. 5 2s are 10. We will take two numbers together, so we will write 0 here. We will take two numbers together because 3 is smaller than 5. When we take both numbers, here makes 30. 5 6 are 30 and there is no remainder, we will write 0 here. Now 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 1 is remainder, it will write on the other side. 5 8s are 40, 1 remainder, it will write here. 5 1s are 5 and there is 3 remainder, so we will write here. Our next number is smaller than our divisor, so we will write the answer as 13110 with base 5. So binary system is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 with base 2, and base 5 system is equal to 13110 with base 5, which is our answer. Now let's move towards our part 4. 867 to binary, octal and base 5. As you can see students that this is a decimal number system, so we will convert directly this number into binary, octal and base 5, starting from our binary system. When we divide 867 with 2, we got 4, 33 and 1 is remainder, it will write here. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, here makes 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 left, so we will write here. 2 1s are 2 as you can see that we are taking both numbers at the same time, so we will write 0 here, and 2 8s are 16, there is nothing remainder, so we will write 0 here. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, nothing remainder, 0 here. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 0 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, there is 1 left, so we will write here. 2 6 are 12, 1 left, which is written here. 2 3s are 6, there is nothing remainder, so we will write 0 here. 2 1s are 2 and 1 will written here. Now the answer is 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 with base 2. Now students, here is our base 5 system. We will divide 8 67 with 5. 5 ones are 5, 3 carry, it makes 36. 5 7s are 35, 1 carry, here makes 17. 5 3s are 15, we left 2, we will write here. Again with 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 left, here makes 23. 5 4s are 20 and 3 will write on the remainder side. 5 6 are 30 and 4 will remainder on the other side. 5 ones are 5 and 1 is remainder, it will write here. Now the answer is 1 1 4 3 2 with base 5. Here is our octal system. We will divide with 8. When we divide 8 ones are 8, we will write 0 here because we are taking two numbers at the same time. 8 8s are 64. Then we have left 3, we will write here. 8 ones are 8, there makes 2, carry with 8, here makes 28. 8 3s are 24 and 4 will left, it will write here. 8 ones are 8, there left 5, so we'll write here. The answer is 1 5 4 3 with base 8. So our answers are binary system is equal to 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 with base 2. Base 5 system is equal to 1 1 4 3 2 with base 5. Octal system is equal to 1 5 4 3 with base 8. This is our answers. Now students, here is our part 5. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 with base 2 to octal and base 5. Students, we will convert this binary number system into decimal number system by using our method which you have learned earlier. We will write, firstly we will convert to 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 with base 2 to decimal number system. Now we will multiply all the digits with our base given to us, which is 2. We will multiply 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Now we will give exponent to them from right towards left, starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1 will written as it is. 2 raised to power 7 means we will multiply 2 7 times. After multiplication we got 128 plus 0 as it is into 64. When we multiplied 2 6 times we got 64 plus 0 as it is into 32, because 2 raised to power 5 we got 32 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 4 means we will multiply 2 4 times we got 16 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 means we will multiply 2 3 times we got 8 plus 0 in will written as it is into 2 raised to power 2 means 4 plus 0 will written as it is into 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 into 1, because 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now students, we will multiply 1 into 128 we got 128 plus 0 into 64 we got 0 plus 0 into 32 we got 0 plus 1 into 16 we got 16 plus 1 into 8 we got 8 plus 0 into 4 we got 0 plus 0 into 2 we got 0 plus 1 into 1 we got 1. Now students, we will write all the answers and add them. After the addition we got 153. Now we have decimal number. We will convert it into base 5 system and then octal system. Firstly, we will convert it into base 5 system. As you can see that 5 3 is 15, 3 is smaller than 5, so we will write 0 here and 3 will write on the remainder side. 5 6 are 30, there is nothing remainder, so we will write 0 here. 5 1s are 5 and 1 will remainder, it will here. So the answer is 1103 with base 5. Here is our octal system 153. When we divide it with 4 we got 19, 1 will remainder, it will write here. 8 2s are 16, we got 3 left, we will write here, and the answer is 231 with base 8. So the answer is base 5 system is equal to 1103 with base 5 and octal system is equal to 231 with base 8, which is our answers. I hope students to understand all this question very well. Take care.